Hey there, and welcome back to Home DIY. Fall is here, and what better way to embrace the season than with a rustic kitchen makeover? Today we're transforming a regular kitchen into a warm, inviting space with fall-inspired touches that bring both charm and comfort. Let's dive into these autumn kitchen ideas. Before we get started, it's important to give your kitchen a fresh start. Clean out countertops, organize, and get rid of clutter to set the stage for a true transformation. A clean kitchen gives you a blank canvas to work with, which is key when creating that perfect rustic fall vibe. Rustic fall kitchens thrive on warmth. Start by adding rich autumn hues like burnt oranges, deep reds, and golden yellows. These colors not only evoke the feeling of fall, but also bring warmth and coziness to your kitchen. Add touches like fall-colored dish towels, a rustic rug, or even autumnal-themed dishware for a quick, easy makeover. Rustic style is all about embracing nature, so bring in natural elements like wood, stone, and leather. Think wooden cutting boards, stoneware pottery, and leather handles for an earthy, grounded look. Wooden countertops, reclaimed wood shelves, or a wooden table with mismatched chairs instantly adds rustic charm. For an extra autumn touch, stack firewood in a corner, or create a fall centerpiece with pine cones and dried flowers. It's the little things that really make the fall season pop. Add small accessories like pumpkin-themed dishware, plaid napkins, or fall-scented candles. Pumpkins, dried corn stalks, and seasonal fruits, like apples or pears, can easily be arranged in bowls or placed on open shelves for a festive touch. Now let's talk about lighting. To create a cozy fall atmosphere, soft lighting is key. Consider adding pendant lights with warm-tone bulbs or a vintage-style chandelier. Candles in mason jars or lanterns placed around the kitchen will give off a soft, flickering glow that enhances the autumn mood. One of the most important areas in your kitchen is the island. This is where the heart of your fall kitchen makeover will shine. Decorate your island with a seasonal centerpiece like a wooden tray filled with fall produce or a cozy bowl of cinnamon sticks, apples, and pine cones. Create a small fall-inspired bar cart or beverage station in your kitchen. You can display your favorite fall drinks like spiced cider, hot cocoa, or even a bottle of local apple wine. Don't forget the seasonal touches, like a basket of cinnamon sticks, cloves, and a few sprigs of rosemary to give your drinks that extra fall flavor. To make your rustic fall kitchen truly yours, include personal touches that reflect your style. Whether it's family photos in rustic frames, a handmade wreath on the door, or a chalkboard with a fall recipe, these little details will add personality and make the space feel like home. And there you have it, your very own fall rustic kitchen makeover. With warm colors, natural materials, cozy accessories, and autumn-inspired touches, your kitchen will become the perfect place to gather this season. Thanks so much for joining us today. If you love these fall rustic kitchen ideas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal inspiration. Happy fall and happy decorating.